Hi, this is Adriana, and today I just want to share. I just received my envelope, and this is sent from one of my mentors, Gillian Ortega, National Sales Director. And I already took the tape out. I want to make sure you see it. And this is a copy. Wow, this is a copy of this book, Success, Motivation, and the Scriptures by William H. Cook. So nice of her to have sent me this book. Set goals, you need confidence, cybernetics, self-control life, strive to be great, positive thinking, be number one, build a self-image, take no thought for the morrow, no confidence in the flesh, the crucified life, Christ-controlled life, be content, thou shalt not humble yourself, deny yourself. So I'll be reading about it. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Thank you so much for this book. And I'll be sharing from it in this beautiful envelope. Thank you. And this is another video for SalesVision Video Challenge. Just remember, if you have products to sell, you have and you need customers, and you're in network marketing, and you need to generate leads online, go use the SalesVision digital marketing software. It's amazing to generate leads online. You'll be finding the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye.